great guys. I think all of you are so awesome. All the girls and the people in Assam, Guwahati are so pure. I'm loving my stay over here. Thank you for being so sweet to all of you here. Thank you so much.
Because you know what the contestants are going through and you know exactly how they're feeling, but to be on the other side also feels very surreal. But it makes me want to participate again, which I want.
I feel really nostalgic, and because it's this platform where my journey starts, where my dream starts. So, and to sit there. I want to thank the Miss India organization for choosing me as the judge.
I'm actually feeling the emotions that these girls are going through, and I feel really nostalgic standing here judging them this time. So I wish them all the best, and just enjoy the journey and just be yourself and just live your moment. That's it.
Wonderful platform. Congratulations to all the participants who've come here, all of your beautiful souls. I think my small advice to all of you is to be confident in what you're doing. Be true to the person you are. Do not want to exceed in any race. Just go by the race, go by the flow. Thank you.